Hey, so you want to showcase your work online. A card portfolio website is perfect for creatives, freelancers, or anyone who wants a simple, elegant site. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step on how to create a professional portfolio with Card. Go to card.co and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Free accounts are enough to get started, but Pro lets you connect a custom domain and unlock advanced features. Click New Site on your dashboard. You can choose a portfolio template or start with a blank canvas if you want full creative control. Edit the hero section with your name, profession, and a brief tagline. Add a profile image if you like, and a call to action button like View My Work. Add sections to showcase your projects. Include images, descriptions, or videos for each project. Keep it organized and visually appealing so visitors can easily browse your work. Add a contact section with your email, social media, or a contact form. This makes it easy for clients or collaborators to reach you. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing and backgrounds to match your personal brand. Keep the design clean, consistent, and easy to navigate. Click Preview to see how your portfolio looks on desktop and mobile. Make sure everything looks professional and all links and sections work properly. Once satisfied, click Publish. Free users can use a card.co subdomain, while pro users can connect a custom domain for a polished, professional URL. Share your portfolio link on social media, email signatures, or business cards. Regularly update your portfolio with new projects to keep it fresh. So yeah, that's how to create a card portfolio website. Choose a template, showcase your projects, add contact info, customize the design, then publish and share. In just a few minutes, you can have a professional portfolio ready for clients or collaborators.